An earthquake infographic presented by teacher Jody A. Before an earthquake happens, know the hazards in your area. Familiarize yourself with the following. First aid kit. Emergency grab and go bag. Evacuation area. Learn where to look for the fire extinguisher in case a fire breaks out. During an earthquake, duck. Quickly duck on the ground. Cover. Take cover under a sturdy table. Hold. Hold on until the shaking stops. After an earthquake, watch out for aftershocks. Stay out of the buildings unless advised to go back. Check for any damages in electrical outlets at home. Remember, life is priceless. Don't be speechless. Be aware. Be alert.